again. Hello, I'm Deepa Agarwal. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe at home. Well, stories are a wonderful way to pass the time. So, today I'm going to be telling you two stories. The first story is called The Mango Birds. It's a beautiful picture book published by National Book Trust India. The story has been written by me, Deepa Agarwal, and the lovely illustrations are by Subir Roy. Once, a mango tree grew right in the middle of a forest. It was a wild tree and did not belong to anyone. So, everybody shared the juicy fruit that grew on it. Birds and animals from the forest, men, women, and children from the village nearby all shared the fruit happily till one day. One day, a strange man came to the village. It was a hot day and he looked quite thirsty, so a village woman offered him a glass of water to drink. And her grandson thought he might be hungry, so he offered him a mango. Mmm, yum. This is the best mango I've ever eaten. From where did you get it? From the forest, said the little boy. From a big tree that grows there. I'll show you. The man saw the mango tree full of juicy fruit and he got an idea. If I take all these mangoes and sell them in town, he thought, I can make a lot of money. So, what did he do? He went to town, came back with a big sack, and began to fill it with mangoes. Stop! Cried the monkeys. Stop! Cried the birds. Stop! Stop! These mangoes are for everyone. But did the man listen? No, the greedy man did not stop. He kept on filling his sack, and when it was full, he put it on his bicycle. He was all ready to go when a crow dived down and punctured his tire. A monkey pulled off his hat and jumped on it. A goat knocked his sack of mangoes over. The mangoes rolled out of the sack and came tumbling down the hill. The man tried to catch them. He tried to pick them up and put them back in the sack. But guess what happened? One by one, the mangoes grew wings and began to fly. The greedy man was shocked. He just watched helplessly. Then he jumped on his punctured bicycle and pedaled away as fast as he could. Everyone was happy to see him go. Yay, they said. Now they could share the mangoes happily again. And what do you think happened to the mangoes that flew away? It is said that they are known as golden orioles now. These birds live among mango trees but never eat the fruit. So, this is a story about sharing nature's gifts and not trying to be greedy. I hope you liked it. Now, the next story that I'm going to tell you is called A Real Giraffe. A real giraffe has also been published by National Book Trust, written by Deepa Agarwal, and the delightful illustrations are by Arya Praharaj. Akshar's birthday was coming, so he said to his parents, I know what I want for my birthday. I want a real giraffe. A real giraffe? Papa looked at Mama. A real giraffe? Mama looked at Papa. We need to discuss this. We cannot have a real giraffe in the house, Mama said to Papa. It might break the roof. If we keep it outside, Papa said, it might eat up all our plants. Can't we get you something else, Akshay? A nice doggy, a cute kitty cat, or a talking parrot. But did Akshay want any of these gifts? A nice doggy, a cute kitty cat, a talking parrot? No, Akshay said. I want a giraffe, a real giraffe. But from where will we get a real giraffe, Mama said. You can't buy a giraffe in the market. You can't order one on the internet either, said Papa. I know where you can get a real giraffe, Akshay said. You can get a real giraffe from the jungle. You told me that giraffes live in the jungle. Maybe we can get a giraffe from the jungle we visited. The jungle where the big tiger lives, Akshay suggested. Oh, but there were no giraffes in that jungle, Papa said. Yes, Mama added. Giraffes live far away. They live in jungles in Africa. Africa? Why do giraffes live in Africa? Why don't they live here? Akshay screamed, I want a giraffe! I want a real giraffe! Papa looked at Mama. Mama looked at Papa. Then Mama said, Beta, giraffes live in Africa because it's their home. They live there with their papas and mamas. Yes, Papa said. Like you live here with your mama and papa in your own home. Yes, Mama said. If you take a giraffe away from its mama and papa, it will be very sad. Like, remember, the giraffe in the zoo looks sad always. Oh, Akshay said. The giraffe lives with its papa and mama in Africa, like I live with my mama and papa. He thought and thought. I don't want to take a giraffe away from its mama and papa. I don't want to make it sad. All right, you can give me a doggy. And his papa and mama got him a really nice doggy, and he was happy playing with it. So I hope you like these stories, and I hope you remember that we should keep the environment just as it is and not meddle with it and destroy it. Okay, thanks a lot for listening, and goodbye now.